G'day guys, it's Tim here. Just flew in from Melbourne today after having an event over there last night. Really great event. And then of course I've got an event in Perth later on tonight. We've got it at the Perth Convention Centre. Obviously if you haven't got along to one of our events and you want to, you should get along to that. But we wanted to continue what we've been doing over the past few weeks and just discussing people's questions and comments. And one of the big questions that came up this week was regarding Australian property and whether it's overvalued or not. We saw it's another week goes by and you see another article about Australian property being overvalued. So we wanted to get people's opinions out there, rather than listening to the news that we are constantly bombarded by with the mainstream media. We want to see what, real life people out there think about Australian property. So if you think Australian property is overvalued, I'd love to hear your comments and your thoughts down below. And if, of course, you think that it's not overvalued and, in fact, it may even be undervalued and we're going to continue to see more growth, then we'd love to see your comments down below as well. So, that's pretty much all I wanted to get on and talk about today, guys. So we'd love to hear your feedback. And I'll come back to you later in the week and I'll give you my thoughts on Australian pricing and or Australian housing and its value. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to hearing your feedback and talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.